नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 5वीच्या इंग्रजी या विषयाची जस्ट नाऊ ही कविता ऐकणार आहोत। चला तर मग ही कविता ऐका आणि हावभावांसह म्हणा। फाउंड अ पीनट, फाउंड अ पीनट, फाउंड अ पीनट जस्ट नाऊ, जस्ट नाऊ आय फाउंड अ पीनट, फाउंड अ पीनट जस्ट नाऊ। Crack it open, crack it open, crack it open just now, just now I crack it open, crack it open just now. Ate the peanut, ate the peanut, ate the peanut just now, just now I ate the peanut, ate the peanut just now. Got a stomachache, got a stomachache, got a stomachache just now, just now I got a stomachache, got a stomachache just now. Call the doctor, call the doctor, call the doctor just now, just now call the doctor, call the doctor just now. Operation, operation, operation just now, just now operation, operation just now. Feeling better, feeling better, feeling better just now, just now I am feeling better, feeling better just now. Bye bye doctor, bye bye doctor, bye bye doctor just now, just now bye bye doctor, bye bye doctor just now. Bye bye doctor just now, bye bye doctor just now. मुलांनो, कशी वाटली कविता? आवडली ना? चला तर मग तुम्ही देखील छान हावभावांसह ही कविता आपल्या वर्गात म्हणून दाखवायची आहे। पुन्हा भेटूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये।